I'm Natalia. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm a freelance makeup artist. For my first talking video, I wanted to do a what's inside my makeup artist kit. So I got a lot of questions on what I have in there and what I use, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first product I like to use is Rose Water Micellar Cleansing. I like to take a cotton round and just kind of cleanse their face before. A lot of people don't clean their face very well before applying makeup, so I like to use this, and then, like I said, just wipe their face off with this. Another thing I always keep in my kit are Qtips. I have like the pointy tip ones, and it's like if I have like a little mascara on their foundation, I can just take a pointy one and just like wipe it right off. Or I also clean my airbrush with these, and then I always will lay down a mat. This is just from my school that I got. I like to keep the space that I'm at super clean, and I set my products on here. I can clean my brushes on here. Okay, another thing that I always have on me is my Cinema Secrets 99.99% bacteria-free brush cleaner, and I always just put it in this little bowl, and then I dip my dirty brushes in there and cleanse it off on that little mat that I had. And my dirty brushes, I always put in this little cup, so I know what ones are my dirty brushes and what ones are clean brushes. And I always keep a little like Ziploc baggie to put like my garbage, like my used mascara wands or my sponges and whatnot. For my brush holder, I have this little organizer by a makeup designer in the school that I went to, and I have all sorts of brushes, and then I also have some little hair clips to hold their hair back so I don't get foundation in their hair. So now I have my Airbrush Compressor, and this is my Spar Max. I got this when I was in school, and this is just the little Spar Max. This is the Spar Max Max 3. I highly recommend, if you're a makeup artist, having two on hand, because if one does not work when you're on set, then you can just pull out the other one. In this little bag, I have all my airbrush foundations. So I have mostly my makeup designer airbrush foundations, and then I also have some Endura alcohol-based foundations. So then I have my cream palettes here. I don't really use these, but what I like to use them for, since I lost my makeup palette little thing, I like to use this as like what I set my foundation on, my creams on, and that way if I have multiple clients, I can just pull this guy off and like use this as their little palette. And then I also have my handheld mirror, so I can always show them what the look looks like, and then I just put some makeup stickers on here. So in these cases, I have some foundations, and I also got this from Makeup Designer. I have all sorts of liquid foundations. I got these little cute containers from Amazon to put whatever foundations in there. Like I said, I don't really have a favorite, but these are all my liquid foundations. In this one, I have all my powders. So I have everything from my pressed powders, my translucent powders, and all different colors in here. In this guy, I have all my lashes. So I have like strip lashes. Most of them are from like Amazon, and then I also have like my individual lashes as well. So all my eyeshadow palettes, I have a ton more, but these are what I mostly use, are my more natural shadow colors, and all of these are like on Nostalgia. And if I need any color, I'll have a palette full of color, and then my Makeup Designery palette here I can use for eyeshadows or blushes. Okay, so in this little container, I like to keep it in this because it's so much easier just to pull out. So I have my hand sanitizer, my alcohol, I keep business cards on me, mints, a little bit of makeup wipes, and then my mascaras in this drawer. And then these, I keep all my concealers, mostly Tarte concealers, and some brow to carve them out, and then as well as eyeshadow bases. In this guy, I like to keep all my bronzers as well as blushes. I have a ton of different colors and brands. In the second drawer, I keep all my lip liners as well as some like lip prep stuff like chapsticks and whatnot. In this one, I have all my lip sticks, so like these are all my matte ones. I have a few glosses in here. In this one, I have all my applicators, so like my lip applicators, my mascara wands, and then my latex-free sponges. In this one, I keep kind of a bunch of everything. I have my brow pencils, pomades, my lash curler, my lash scissors, tweezers, my palette knife, and also lash glue. This one, I have my primers, my some moisturizers, and then setting spray. And then this last one, I have all different type of liners. I have pencil liners, different color liners, my liquid liners, and also some individual eyeshadow palette. That was just a little video of showing like what I kind of keep in there and how I keep it. I can do another video if you guys want of me explaining what products I like and like how I use them. But you guys can check out my Instagram. That will be in the link below. My photographer and videographer is taking this video right now. You guys should check her out because like my whole Instagram is full of basically her work. If you guys want me to do any other video, please let me know. Thank you for watching.